Hello everyone, this is Tata Subramanian again here, and today I'm going to wish you a very happy Independence Day first of all. So Independence Day marks the significant milestone in our country where the freedom fighters and numerous people during those era have fought for the freedom that we are enjoying today. Now today I'm going to talk about a movie which also talks about a different kind of freedom which is yet to be liberated. Now you must be asking, what is that? The answer is very simple. The answer is the escape or the freedom from the patriarchal society that we live in. It happens in your household, it happens in my household, it happens in almost every Indian household. It has changed over the years, certainly, but it still has a very strong roots in our country. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to talk about a movie called as The Great Indian Kitchen. Now, The Great Indian Kitchen movie, which is directed by Jio Baby, and primarily stars two actors, Nimisha Saijan and Suraj Venjaramudu. Now these two actors are very splendid. Nimisha has already established herself in the Malayalam industry, and Suraj Venjaramudu is a established Malayalam actor. Now let's keep this stature aside and look at the movie objectively. So this movie does not have a very splendid story or a splendid thriller aspect of it. It is a very simple day in day out activity that happens in a typical Indian household. Or to put it more succinctly, how a day happens in a traditional Indian household. So the lead actress, that is the Nimisha here, she cooks, she sweeps the floor, she cleans the table, she takes out the waste, she sleeps. She wakes up the first and she sleeps the last. And this is the same case with her mother-in-law as well. So this is how you see a movie going in and going out, and this is the main plot of this movie. So what makes this movie very interesting, if you ask me? It is these activities and the way it has been shown. Now, in a typical movie or in a very average ordinary movie, you can see that the actors and actresses have a very distinct looks. They have a lot of makeup to distinguish themselves from the crowd. But here in this movie, Jio Baby had make sure that the actors are very natural. They just look like how they would look like in a daily life. And this is what makes the audience more connecting, and this is where you can empathize with the characters more. And not so this also makes the acting very natural. So this aspect I really liked it, because it is not easy to act in a very natural way. Now let's talk about the other aspects of this film, some of the interesting aspects. So this film, when it got when it was initially when they pitched it to the major OTT players like Netflix, Amazon and other OTT players, it was rejected. And so they had to go to a less popular OTT stream of Malayalam, which it got released there. But when it got so much of positive reviews from the people about this movie, soon Amazon Prime acquired these rights, and it is now there in Amazon Prime. So that was one interesting aspect I thought of telling you. Let's talk about some of the very interesting scenes in the movie which I really liked it. One of the significant scenes is she will cook with all the lot of effort, with lot of traditional instruments that she and her mother-in-law cooks. She wakes up early, and just in parallel, her husband will do yoga, or his father-in-law would watch TV or would read newspapers. This scene, does it sound very familiar to you? It does. And yet the impact is so big when these scenes are shown day in and day out that it makes you think. And as a male, it makes you feel guilty. One other significant scene which really in the table where after eating they put the waste there, and it is the duty of the female members household to clean those waste. It is a simple scene, but yet it generates so much of reactions in an audience that it is commendable. Now another aspect, another significant scene which I really liked was the husband and the wife, they go out in a restaurant to eat. And now this caring husband, or you say the very social conscious husband, he takes out the waste and puts it properly there, properly in the dustbin. But he does not do the same practice at home. And when questioned by the wife that why you do it, he would simply answer that this is the way it is. So this how shows that how we have been conditioned over the years, how the character that has been portrayed in the movie has been conditioned over the years by the various patriarchal ways which goes into our system. So all these scenes, even though it is very simple scenes, but they have a very profound impact. And I believe that a movie which can produce this kind of impact deserves an applause. So there is nothing much else to tell about with respect to the story. From a cinematography perspective, yes, the way throughout the movie they will show the sounds of the plates, when you eat, the sounds of the spoons, or even the different ways of preparation of foods. From that perspective, it has been shown very beautifully. So you can certainly relish it by the process of different types of cooking, but at the same time, it also shows you that how much effort our female members of the family take to run the house, and it is definitely not an easy task. So on one side, yes, our female members have been a very strong pillar at the household, supporting us over the years, but at the same time, we must acknowledge the pain that they take. And the film also questions that maybe they are beyond the household activities that they do, and they deserve more significant applause. So the ending credit song comes at the end, and it is definitely an impact of how feminism is represented, or how the women power is represented. I really like that song in the end. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like to this channel. And if you have any suggestions regarding the content of the movie that you want me to speak about, please mention in the comments. So this is Tata Subramanian signing off, and have a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.